These tiny sweet roses are made out of crepe paper that I got from the dollar store. They're easy to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need crepe paper, scissors, pencil, green pipe cleaner, fingernail clippers, and a ruler. Start by cutting one piece of crepe paper about 2 feet long. Cut 2 more pieces, one 9 inches long and one 3 inches long. Fold the longest piece of crepe paper in half 4 times. Now use a pencil to draw the rose petal pattern. These are going to connect like paper dolls, so draw a small tab on each side at the base of the petal and make sure it's very short, and then draw a rose petal shape, which is long and flat on the top, and don't go clear to the top. Make it about a 1/2 inch down from the top. You don't want it to be too long. Fold the 9-inch piece of crepe paper in half 3 times. Draw a rose petal pattern on this one as well, making the tabs at the bottom on each side so they will stay connected. Make this rose petal slightly smaller than the larger one. Cut the 3-inch piece of crepe paper lengthwise. You're only going to be using 1/2. Cut out the rose petals, being sure to keep them attached at the bottom with the tabs that you drew. Hold the tip of a green pipe cleaner halfway up against the short side of the 3-inch piece of crepe paper. Twist the pipe cleaner end securely inside the crepe paper all the way to the end. Wrap it tightly. When you're finished wrapping, twist the top of the crepe paper, the loose part, and twist it around so everything stays in place. Unfold the smaller set of petals. Starting at one end, you're going to begin wrapping the petals around the center that you just made. Keep the base of the crepe paper even and level, and wrap it very tightly at the bottom, leaving the top just a little bit looser. Keep wrapping around until you get to the end of the series of petals. When you're done wrapping, twist the base just a little bit to help hold everything in place, and then fan out just a few of the outer petals. Now do the same thing with the larger set of petals. You're going to wrap the first few petals just as you did the smaller ones, going around and around and keeping it really tight at the base. After you've wrapped about 4 or 5 of the larger petals, we want to start wrapping so that the outer petals can be a little bit looser so they fan out. So to accomplish this, we're going to start to fan fold or fold some of the little tabs in between the petals. So just when you get to a tab, just fold it and wrap the petals so that they're overlapping a little bit. Once you're finished, pinch the end together, bend the pipe cleaner up and wrap it tightly around the base of the crepe paper to keep all the petals in shape. Wrap it around about 3 times to make sure that it's tight. Now you can fan out those outer petals and kind of bend them outwards. Just arrange the flower so that it looks pretty. You can leave the stem as it is. You can cut it shorter with fingernail clippers, or what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to bend a small leaf in the pipe cleaner. So I'm going to bend it up, bend a leaf shape, give it a twist, and bend the end back down. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.